Hi, this is Karthik from the Smart Dev Coder. In this video, I am going to show you how to generate a flashcards or a flowchart diagrams if you are a teacher. Suppose if you are in a teaching field who wants to generate a flashcard so that your students can understand the subject easily. Okay, so I will show you the easy way. Just open the Claude, that is search for CLAUDE space AI in Google. Open it. If you are opening the website for the first time, just complete the sign up process using a Gmail account or your custom phone number, whatever it may be. So give this prompt to the Claude. So generate a flashcard for the topic cranial nerves. Names, functions and types. Then what you need to add is here after flashcard you just modify it to in .svg format and then press this button. If you don't know what SVG is actually designing graphics with the help of coding. Okay, this is a markup language which the Claude is doing by itself. You don't need to understand everything, just watch it. See, if you want to do this much of coding manually means how much time it will take to learn and how much time it will take to type it. So thanks to Claude, it is doing all by itself. Okay, now we got a flashcard here. You can see here it is given a memory aid for us, that is O to touch and feel very good velvet or heaven. Okay, so O means olfactory, optic and oculomotor. TO stands for trochlear and touch for trigeminal. So this is how it is giving a flashcard. Okay, see, if you want to make it more colorful or more graphically attractive, just add one more prompt. Add some graphics to it so that it will be helpful in picture memory. So you don't need to tell it what are the graphics it has to use, like that. You can just tell it to add graphics, so it will think by itself and implement the implementation of the graphics as per the topic. Okay, This is a sample topic which is belongs to a medical field, medical education, but you can use any of the topic you want because the AI knows everything, but it still can make mistakes. So you have to cross check before using for your final purpose. So you can see it had add some graphics. So for optic it has added eye. Okay, then oculometer means the movement of the eye. So it has been given a graphic relative to that. Okay, and it is, so it has used appropriate graphics wherever necessary. Now you can just download as SVG and you can open it. Okay, so you can see this is a flashcard. Okay, see if you are seeing some errors like this, you can just copy it. Okay, you can just copy this error and paste it in the Claude so that it will fix by itself. Okay, so this is the version 1 and this is the version 2 of our flashcard. Okay, now we will move to the next part, the flowchart generator. Okay, so generate a flowchart in .svg format. SVG format for the topic blood circulation in heart and body. Press enter. And the Claude is designing the SVG code. See why I am asking Claude to generate SVG is Claude is very perfect in generating graphics in SVG format. It cannot generate direct JPG or PNG files. If you don't mention .svg, it will generate in HTML codes which you don't know how to use them. Okay, so that's why I am specifically asking it to provide the graphics in .svg format. Okay, you can see how beautifully it created the flowchart for us, and it even mentioned that what is the colors for color coding for the flowchart. The red is for oxygenated blood, blue is for deoxygenated blood, and the purple is for the mixed blood. But I don't see any purple here, purple color here. Okay, so that's why we have to cross check before finally using it. Okay, so if you want any more modifications, you can just ask it in the chat, so it will do it. Now download it in SVG and open it. See, it is getting some error here. See, if you get like this, just copy this error and ask. So it will fix the errors and it will give it back to you. So again you can download. Now open it. Now you can see we don't have any error. See, if you want this use this SVG file, some only browsers will support the .svg files. So if you want to use somewhere you can't use SVG, you can just do one thing, go to Google and search for SVG to PNG. Okay, you will get the link, first link only. Open it, upload file, then select the SVG file which just downloaded. There it is somewhere. Okay, we'll do one thing. We'll locate the file here. Okay, I will drag and drop it here. Download. See, now we got the PNG version of our SVG file. See, now you can use this PNG file wherever you want. So this is how you can use the Claude AI, which makes your teaching experience very easy. That is preparation of the teaching part you can do, but preparation of the flashcards, flowcharts, like these things takes more time and creativity. But this is a generation of AI, so you can use AI for the things to get faster. Okay, so if you found my video helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to share my videos and give a like to my video. Thank you for watching. And if you want to know how to use AI for your daily tasks, whatever it may be, just comment in the comment box. I will make a video for that. Thank you. This is Karthik signing off.